based on, I guess, your insight in the industry, do you think that, for example, the government should possibly, maybe, I guess, give a quota or an import license to another importer?
What I will say, because it's quite a political product, it's more political than you can ever imagine. Do I personally believe that carb cement has a capacity? I believe they do. Would I, if I'm minister, provide them with the exclusivity as exists now to a large extent? No. Would I, as minister, grant Atlantic Hardware even a small license? Absolutely. I think that's it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think I mean, you have to appreciate that the product is so important that without cement, you cannot bury the dead.